Hello everybody, this is Laura Shapiro. I'm here with the next tutorial on Twitter. This will be a short one again, as they all have been. And this time I'm going to show you how you can put a link on to whatever it is that you're tweeting and make it short enough so it fits within the 140 characters. So there are some different places that you can go to do this, and I started out with tinyurl, which is a good one, just to show you really quickly. Oops, hold on a second. Tinyurl. And all this does is, here, just to show you what these things do, is you enter a long URL to make a tiny one. So let's say that I want to put in a link to one of my articles on my blog. So we'll go to Blogger. Let's go to one of my articles, or to anything. Now again, you can tweet something that you find interesting that somebody else wrote about, or somebody on your team, perhaps somebody in your a coworker, or you can something that somebody that has nothing to do with your team wrote, anything that you find interesting, or your own stuff. So let's say that I just want to I want to include this link here to this article. So what you do is, whatever link it is that you want to include, it can be your affiliate link to something, whatever it is, you copy it here. You'll see this big long link. Copy it, put it in here, and then you just say make tinyurl, and it turns it into this. So that this big long thing has now turned into this tinyurl, and you can check it in a different window. So I just copy this tinyurl just to show you that it works. And see, there it is. It comes up like that. Now, I actually use another service which is called Trim, and the reason that I use Trim, it's tr.im. Here we go. It's just http://tr.im. And the reason that I use Trim is because it actually can tracks how many people actually click on the link that I do. So, for example, let's put that long one. Let's put the blogger one from my blog back in there. Okay. And I'm going to tweet this one. Here we go. Big long URL. Okay. And again, it's the same thing. Now, you can actually check this box with Trim, and then it will automatically put it on your Twitter account once you have to put in your details of Twitter so that it can get in there. And then you can just add whatever kind of text you want to say with it. I don't do that. Because I don't want it to go out in case I actually didn't hit some kind of button and it's just to send the link out by itself. So I just actually trim it. Okay, and here it is. This is my new URL, and then I copy it and put it on Twitter. So just to show you, now that works. So you can say, wondering what the difference is. This article was about the differences between network marketing, multi-level marketing, and MLM, if there is a difference. So I wrote something about that. So wondering what the differences are between MLM, multi-level marketing, and network marketing. Okay, find out here. Okay, and that's what you could do, and then you just put whatever the link is right here, and this will, when somebody clicks on that, that's going to send them to that page. Now, just to go back in, I just want to show you really quickly within Trim some examples how you can track it. These are some of the links that I've put in here. Some of this is for other people's stuff. As I told you, I do that every once in a while if I see something interesting, and some of it is for my own. And these are the how many clicks I've gotten. Now, a lot of these, if it's my own stuff, that means that I got 37 clicks to my blog that day, with just that one little, just sending it out one time every once in a while. 70 here to this one. So you can see that it's just a nice way to see what's working and what people are responding to and what they aren't. Okay, so I'm going to stop this right here, dealing with trim, and I'm going to show you how to use Twitter Karma in the next tutorial.